Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the HP Pavilion G series laptop turn on but there is no display. How to solve the problem? First of all, I will show the problem. This is the charger cable, and then I press the power button. But there is no power. You can see here there is no power. There is no display. There is a power but no display. How to solve this type of problem of HP Pavilion G6 series? Again, I power on. I make power off. You can see here the light is off. Now remove the charger port and then press power button till to 30 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to 30 seconds. And connect the power cable or charger to the laptop. Now again press power button. त्यो गर्दा गर्दा यसलाई काट्ने हो कि यहाँ अन हुन्छ अनि बल्ल देखाउने हो कि
अने भएन 4 विकेट गइसक्यो.
Now remove the RAM, both RAM, and then put one RAM slot, and then again turn the power. Now again it's not showing power on. Again make the power off of laptop. Okay, and then change the RAM slot. That again press power button. Again press Q and power button together. This thing here, Q and power button together. Again again remove power button, no display. For the action button. You can see here the power will coming up now. Now press power button. You can see the display will appear now. Now the laptop is start to on. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.